Hi. Let us introduce ourselves. We are a custom packaging company name, Cost Saving Packaging. At Cost Saving Packaging LLC, we understand the importance of unique packaging solutions for every product. At Cost Saving Packaging, we take pride in offering a diverse range of customization options to cater to the unique needs of our clients. We understand that each product is distinct, and its packaging should reflect that uniqueness. Whether you're looking for elegant and sophisticated packaging or something more practical and cost-effective, we've got you covered. Our extensive range of customization includes luxury rigid boxes, retail packaging, custom mailer boxes, display boxes, and many more. Our customer service team is committed to going above and beyond to meet our clients' needs and deadlines. We pride ourselves on building strong relationships with our clients through excellent customer service. Our dedicated quality assurance team ensures that every box meets the highest standards before it reaches our clients. One of our key strengths is our ability to deliver orders quickly. We understand the importance of design in packaging, and that's why we offer comprehensive design support to bring our clients' ideas to life. One thing that sets us apart is our ability to provide detailed price quotes within just a couple of hours. So, if you're looking for a packaging partner that values customization, efficiency, and exceptional service, give Cost Saving Packaging a call at 800-440-1113. For a quick response, you can also send us an email at sales@costsavingpackaging.com.